In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host your website on Hostinger. Whether you're launching a business, sharing a personal project, or just want to establish an online presence, hosting your site on a reliable platform like Hostinger can be a straightforward and efficient process. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. You'll find that Hostinger offers a user-friendly interface and features that are perfect for anyone from beginners to seasoned web developers. This is your first step to bringing your online ideas to life. Once you're on Hostinger's homepage, you'll want to identify and click on the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, you can easily create one by signing up. Now, log in using your credentials. This will take you to the dashboard where the magic happens. Next, navigate your way to the home section within the Hostinger panel. This is often referred to as the H panel. A home base for all your hosting needs is organized and easy to use. By spending a little time here, you'll feel at ease with the layout and functionalities offered. Now we're going to head over to the marketplace section of the H panel. The marketplace is your one-stop shop for all the hosting services and extras that Hostinger provides. It's also where you'll find various other tools that can be essential as you grow your website. As you're exploring the marketplace, click on web hosting. This is where you'll see all the different hosting services available to you. Each service is designed to fit various needs, so it's worth taking a few moments to read through the descriptions that accompany each one. After that, click on explore. This option allows you to view the different hosting plans in greater detail, helping you make an informed decision about which one suits your requirements best. Hostinger often offers a variety of plans, so think about your website's needs, be it for personal use or business growth. Finally, it's time to select a plan that best fits your goals. Consider aspects like bandwidth, storage, and the number of websites you plan to host. Take a close look at each package and select the one that aligns with your vision and budget. By choosing the right plan, you'll set a strong foundation for your online presence. And there you have it, you're now equipped with the foundational steps to host your website on Hostinger. As you embark on this journey, remember that good hosting is crucial for your website's success. Should you need a little more help down the line, Hostinger's support team is always ready to assist you. Happy hosting!